Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an income tax officer job. First, research the specific government agency or department you wish to join, as requirements can vary. Next, ensure you meet the educational and experience criteria. Then, gather all necessary documents like transcripts and identification. Finally, meticulously complete the application form and submit it before the deadline. To be eligible, you generally need a bachelor's degree in a field like accounting, finance, or business administration. Some advanced roles might even prefer a master's degree or specific professional certifications. Additionally, many agencies look for candidates with at least 2 years of relevant work experience in taxation or auditing. Possessing strong analytical abilities and meticulous attention to detail is absolutely essential for this demanding position. The application process usually begins by creating an online profile on the official government job portal. You'll then need to meticulously complete a detailed application form, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Remember to upload all required documents, such as your resume, academic transcripts, and any relevant certifications. After submission, it's wise to regularly monitor your application status through the portal for updates. Preparing for the interview phase involves several key steps. Expect written examinations that test your knowledge of tax law, accounting principles, and relevant regulations. Also, practice answering common interview questions, especially those focused on problem solving, ethical dilemmas, and your communication skills. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Finally, research the specific agency's mission and recent initiatives to demonstrate your genuine interest and commitment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.